Tonight we need to have a brief description of the different types of weathering. But first of all, what is weathering? Well, it's the process by which we can break down rocks. This process is natural, but it's very, very slow. And there are two major types of weathering, so two major ways in which we can break down rocks. First of all, there is physical weathering. The change to the rock here is a physical change. The minerals in the rock aren't changed. They are only worn away, broken down, but unchanged. Think about sawdust. We haven't actually changed the fiber of the wood. We've just ground it all down into a dust. And physical weathering is a little bit like that. Examples of physical weathering would include temperature changes that can break down rocks, the action of water and ice, the crystallization of salts, the action of wind, and the action of living plants. All of these are ways in which the rock can be physically worn away or broken down. The other major type of weathering is chemical weathering. In this case, the change to the rock is a chemical change rather than a physical one, and the minerals in the rock are chemically altered so that they form new substances. Examples of chemical weathering would include reactions between the rock or the minerals in the rock and acids that occur naturally in the rain. Also, reactions with gases that occur naturally in the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide or oxygen. And finally, reactions with water. So that could be running water or it could be rainwater. Not so much with the acids that are dissolved in that water, but with the water molecules themselves. In some rocks, that can cause chemical changes. Remember that these changes are very, very slow and gradual, and they happen over a long, long time. All right, that's what you need to know for this evening, and we'll discuss it more when we see each other in class.